The theme for the 67th National Wildlife Week 2021 is Forest and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet. As part of the Wildlife Week celebration, the Office of the Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forests and Chief Wildlife Warden had organized a program at the Phan Nong Lai Park in Shillong in the presence of the Minister for Forest and Environment, James P.K. Sangma, the Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, D.P. Walang, Principal Conservator of Forests B.K. Lingwa, officials and police of the Wildlife Department, students and other invitees. On the occasion, a book entitled Bats of Meghalaya and 2 videos on Narpo Wildlife Sanctuary and Nokrek Biosphere Reserve were released by the Forest and Environment Minister. Prizes were also distributed to winners of various wildlife literary competitions and to wildlife police for preserving wild animals that would have otherwise gone to extinction. James Sangma, while addressing the gathering, said that the pandemic should be a collective reckoning and crude reminder of how our encroachment into nature has resulted in threats to the environment. Therefore, he added that it is time to create awareness and educate the public about conservation of the environment and wildlife so as to protect nature, which is our only home.
And it gives me really so much of insight into how the Forest Department, especially the Wildlife Wing, has been working tirelessly. And this is, I would say, not just a program, a week-long program wherein the department has been highlighting the various works, but I think it is a celebration and at the same time a reminder to each and every one of us of the kind of responsibilities that we have towards Mother Nature, towards our planet Earth, which is our one and only home. I would like to, at the outset, congratulate our PCCF and HOF, Balingwa, and his entire team for the successful organization of Wildlife Week 2021. I am happy to be here to share the dais and to be part of this program and to be part of this meaningful occasion with our officers and like-minded individuals who are such an ardent voice for the environment and for wildlife. I myself, I'm a huge proponent of our natural capital, and also of our biodiversity heritage. And I truly believe that it's about time that we pull this discourse into the mainstream policy and public consciousness, and we take it away from its current status on the ideological fringes.